run. We're going to run today, guys. Physically going to run 21 kilometers today, guys. Kilometers. It's our second time mag 21 km sa fun run. Tiyag nung 3 hours tulog. Then nagagahapon 1 hour tulog. Unsa naman eh? Pampatay. See you later, guys. Mag-start ang run is 3 AM. Hanggang start. Then 2:30 pa. Don't forget to like and share.
Invite all of you to be here in front for our Zumba. So we'll begin at 5:30 and your cut-off will be at 7:30. Giving you plenty amount of time to finish your run. We have 30 seconds. And now 5, 4, 3. Okay, that is the first start for
0.5 kilometers. Time 2 minutes 51 seconds. Current
1K, guys. 20 more.
kilometer in 6 minutes 30
Last 19.
seconds.
3K. Last 18.
Seconds.
4K. 5K. Let's go.
59 seconds.
6K. Let's go. 15K. 10K. 7K. Let's go, guys. Let's go. That's 14. Last 14 km. Go. We can do it.
59 seconds.
Okay, last pila na lang. 13. Sakto? Ay, 14. 13 km. Let's go. 9K. Last 12. Let's go. 10K. 11K. Whew. Here's the moon.
7 minutes 48 seconds.
Let's go. 13K. Last 8. Let's go. 14K. Let's go. 7K, guys. Keep stronger. Hey, guys. So, na namin sa 14.5 na? 14 km. 14.5. Guys. Hey. Na-survive na mo, guys, nga gamay ramong walk. Guys, marag ako na-enjoy sa ilang color run. Look. You see that orange? So, ako marag na-enjoy sila. Color run din siya. Pero di, gamay ra lang color. Color run, pero orange lang din sa blue. It's nice. Wala kami nabtag init, guys. First time pabalik, wala nabtag init. Yeah! Let's go. Atong lugait, may init na dyan kayo. Guys, lamig kayo mo sinit kayo. So, awa gani ako. Init na sa buhang. Among abs. Wow! Guys, nilagan na ko kaya. Wow, full package po po. 5 mo na. Kamay na lang, 6K. Bata kayo na na. Siya ang gabandit sa katunggo. Ano mo kaila? Bandit ni siya. Huwag ka na mga kanarapit ang lunar nga magdagan. Siya, tig-bandit. Let's go, guys. Update ta mo, guys. Mga 15 km. Uy, naghinapak naman siya. Yo! Kumusta? Hapak-hapak naman na sa paa. Giyapak naman ni mong paa. Awi ko, ang ingin may sakit. Ang ingin. 15K! Last 6! Gamay na lang, guys. Te! Kakayanin. Kuha na to 35. 16K. Last 5.
15 seconds.
17K. Last 4. Let's go. Hey guys, see air brakes sila, guys. 17 kapin. Last 4 kapin. May na lang. Sikip na ko ang lapa-lapa. guys. Di naman strong. Mind na lang. May nababadi. Let's go.
Pas pa kayo.
So ano kayo guys? Let's go.
Hindi mo sure.
One cup in. Ah.
The female category. Again, runner 21140. Please be here on the right side at our stage. We ask all the runners to please check your numbers. If you are runner 21086 and runner
Before, after dahil guys, nagkiyang among coach. Mga yun siya kamlan na bugnaw. We're going home guys. We're done running today. And see you soon. 42 kilometers daw.
Wow!
42 kilometers daw.
Wow!
Yes daw. We survived for today guys. Hope you enjoyed this video and don't forget to like and share for more updates. Basta oy kamo na gikapoy ko. Bye bye.